Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you just a quick trick and also the strategy on how to grow your small account. I know some people have small accounts. I've been getting a lot of messages of people requesting this video. So please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so that you get notified. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Let's go into the charts. We're back on the charts, guys. I'll be showing you with one of my favorite pairs, GBP excuse me. The reason why I chose this one is very volatile, and also you can make a lot of money within a short period of time. So let's dive deeper into the chart. Make sure you have your pen and paper and also you're taking notes. As you know, that we start from higher time frame. You have to understand that you cannot start from lower time frame not understanding the bigger moves, because you'll be trapped or you might be caught up on the wrong side. Remember, we follow the trend. We don't create our own trend. We are trend followers. Simple as such. That look what we had here. Just want to show you, this is on a daily time frame. You see, let me just put this as one. You see, so with this being said, I can definitely show you that the market, this one is here, and then do you see that this high is lower than this one? So you can see that the market here, it's trying to create a new trend. This is what is currently happening here. You can say the market is trying to create a new trend. Why I say that is because you can see, let me dive deeper. Do you see what is happening here? And now we are here. So there is chances of the market coming here before they shoot to the downside. So how you can also be able to understand this move is taking your trend line in this way. Remember, we had this. So I would say, if you do take your trend line, take it all the way to this point. You can see they have broken, they came back to retest at this level. As I've mentioned before, that the chart patterns that you see on a higher time frame, you will eventually see them on lower time frame. But don't tell lower time frame, you must know that you are building your account. You're not going to hold longer if you have a small account. So this is what we are looking at. So let me remove everything and then just work on what's currently happening. It's always wise to look at the market, where the market is currently making movements. Yes, we do know the previous structure. Say if I zoom out, we do know the previous structure. We've been pushing to the upside, as you can see. With this dip, they came to retest at this level. You can see that simply means this was a high demand zone, this one. So we are currently looking at the market from this perspective. Can use this, and then the other one I can use just to make sure that we are within the structure, we don't get lost. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to 4-hour time frame. Always remember, guys, to draw your lines and also have your journal so that you can be able to write down what you'll be looking for the week. And also, if you are a beginner, make sure that you document each and every movement so that you can know what you can expect. What did we have here? Impulse, correction, impulse, correction. This is a bigger correction. So we are on a bigger correction on daily. this is a bigger correction. But also remember, this type of correction created some form of a trend, as I've explained to you that we took out this low here, and we also took out this low here, but eventually we came back to retest this point here. As we can say, this is our double top. We have our double top, hence the market pushed further to the downside. And also we have what we call a channel here showing us that the market is correcting, and then eventually it will break because our stronger movement is to the downside. 1 hour time frame, then I can see that the market is pushing in this manner, so you'll be safe for me to use these points. I'll use this. So what I can at most see 15 minutes, as you know, our last analysis will be on 5 minutes. Okay, then point of interest will be this one. You must look at the points where the market pushed harder and also came to retest here. Now I'm looking at this point, trying to see what we can possibly get before we push to the downside, because I can see the bigger move is saying we can continue to the downside. But let's look at what is currently happening on lower time frame. I have this, and then you can rather take it here so that you don't squeeze everything. So the tricky part is here is understanding this move: impulse, correction, impulse. So what is this? A correction. So I can at most expect a move to this upside. But remember, I'm on 15 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes so that we can get much more clarity as we're using this as a scalp strategy. As I've explained, that with our strategy you can be able to scalp, swing, and also day trade. Make sure what did we have here? A move, created a first low, and then we came here, created a double bottom, then we pushed. So this one can take it this way. Always make sure you refine your lines. So this became a correction. So now we are looking at the bigger correction. So my point of interaction, I like to see where we are. You see 61.8. So I'm just gonna use this 61.8. Let me just use it here at the close of this candle. So we are at 61.8. Okay, this is my point of interaction. My immediate target, median target, I'll say this one, because it's the completion of this correction. But then the bigger one will be taking it all the way to that high. As you can see, what we are having, we broke here, retest here at this point. Let me just point you where the retest happened. Retest happened here, showing you that the market is indeed pushing to the upside. So now let's look at what is currently happening here. We are here, and then our final target will be here at this high because of break of this. So, but there's a chance of the market pushing to the downside if the market does this, breaks this low and then retest So now we can know that we are pushing to the upside. But currently, I'm looking at this point now. You see the market is here. I wouldn't force this trade. What I would rather do, wait for a break and a retest before I can push, because I'll know that once it breaks, it is confirmed to me that yes, indeed, we are pushing to the upside. Remember, the market must stay above this support. This point of interest is very, 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 very much significant. Very important, this one. So if the market decides that it's gonna push, and then it must come to retest, and then that's when we'll be entering our buys. And also one thing, whenever you're trading on a 5-minute, make sure when the market reaches here, you take your profit, or what you can do, you can trail stop, take partial profit, take some of the profit, so that you can build your account. So right now I'm looking at this. If they break, I'm not gonna sell. I'm only gonna sell once they retest, showing me that yes, indeed, we are pushing. Okay, let's look at this one, 25 as well. So this is what I'll be looking for on GBP, but I'm strong on this one because I can see we had an impulse, and then this is a correction. So the first break is this one. We could have caught it here. You can see here, but it's not too clear because it's a small one, but the bigger one will be this one. So I'll be happy taking the trade around, let's see, yeah, at the break of this one. Once it breaks, retest, then we're gonna go hard. So this is just my strategy on assisting you guys to be able to trade and build your small account. From your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Catch me in the next video. Please do not forget to share with your friends and family so that this channel can grow. Let's push, let's push, let's push. Subscribe. Catch me in the next video. Peace.